welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to discuss about some objective concepts based on in radius and x radius. Okay. Now, the first question is, in triangle ABC, R1 is equal to 8, R2 equal to 12 and R3 equal to 24. Then what is the value of A? Already in previous session we derived A square is equal to R1 minus R into R2 plus R3. So, for finding the value of A, we must know the values of R, R1, R2, R3. But in this question, we are given that only R1, R2, R3. So, we have to find the value of R. And we know that 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. By substituting all these three values, we get the value of R. So, 1 by R1 means 8 plus 1 by R2 means 12 plus 1 by R3 means 24. Here consider the LCM as 24 and in numerator you get 3 plus 2 plus 1 which is equal to 6 by 24. Hence 1 by R is equal to 1 by 24, 6 by 24. This implies 1 by R is equal to 1 by 4. From this we can write small r is equal to 4. Now find the value of A square. A square is equal to R1 minus R into R2 plus R3. R1 means 8 minus R means 4 into R2 means 12 plus R3 means 24. So this implies A square is equal to 8 minus 4, 4 into 12 plus 24, 36. This is equal to A square is equal to 144. A square is equal to root 144. Hence A is equal to 12. Root 144 means 12. Okay. A is equal to 12. And the next question is, in triangle ABC, S minus A by delta is equal to 1 by 8 and S minus B by delta is equal to 1 by 12 and S minus C by delta equal to 1 by 24. Then what is the value of B? We know that S minus A by delta means 1 by R1. Since R1 means delta by S minus A, hence S minus A by delta means 1 by R1 is equal to 1 by 8. So R1 equal to 8. Similarly, S minus B by delta means 1 by R2. 1 by R2 is equal to 1 by 12. Hence R2 is equal to 12. And S minus C by delta means 1 by R3. 1 by R3 equal 1 by 24. Hence R3 equal to 24. As in the same question, as in the same question, next one is, if R1 equal to 3, R2 equal to 10 and R3 equal to 15, then what is the value of capital R? We know that R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R is equal to 4R. From this we can write capital R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R by 4. But we don't know the value of small r. The question asked is only R1, R2, R3 are given and then find the value of capital R. But we know that 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. By using this formula we can find the value of R. So 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 means 3 plus 1 by R2 means 10 plus 1 by R3 means 15. Here consider the LCM as 30 and in numerator we get 10 plus 3 plus 2 which is equal to 15 by 30, that is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by R is equal to 1 by 2, hence R is equal to 2. Small r is equal to 2. Now we can find the value of capital R. Since capital R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R by 4, by substituting all these values we can get the value of capital R. R1 means 3 plus R2 means 10 plus R3 means 15 minus small r means 2 by 4. This is equal 10 plus 3, 15 plus 10 plus 3, 13 plus 15, 28 minus 2, 26 by 4. This is equal to 13 by 2. Hence, capital R is equal to 13 by 2. Capital R is equal to 13 by 2. Okay. And the next question is in triangle ABC, R1, R2, R3 are in HP. Then what is the value of R2 by R? Given that R1, R2, R3 are in HP, we know that if ABC are in HP, then 2 by B equal to 1 by A plus 1 by C. Similarly, here we can write 2 by R2 is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R3. And we know that 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 is equal to 1 by R. Since 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 is equal to 1 by R. From this we can write 1 by R1 plus 1 by R3 is equal to 1 by R minus 1 by R2. Okay, from this we can write 2 by R2 plus 1 by R2 is equal to 1 by R. Hence this is equal to 3 by R2 is equal to 1 by R. Then by cross multiplication we get R2 by R is equal to 3. R2 by R is equal to 3. And the next question is in triangle ABC, let angle C is equal to 90. If small r is the in radius and capital R is the circumradius of triangle ABC, then what is the value of 2 times of small r plus capital R? 2 times of small r plus capital R. It can be written as 2 into, by taking capital R as common, we get 1 plus small r by capital R. And we know that 1 plus small r by capital R means cos A plus cos B plus cos C. Already we derived in previous session. Cos A plus cos B plus cos C is equal to 1 plus small r by capital R. But we are given that angle C is equal to 90. And we know that sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 and one of the angle is 90. A plus B plus C is equal to 180. A plus B equal to 180 minus C, but we are given that angle C is equal to 90. So we can write A plus B equal to 180 minus 90. Hence A plus B equal to 90. A plus B equal to 90 and A equal to 90 minus B or B equal to 90 minus A. Okay, this is equal to 2R into cos A means 90 minus B plus cos B means 90 minus A plus cos C means 90 degrees. Okay, this is equal to R into cos of 90 minus B is sin B plus cos of 90 minus A is sin A plus cos 90 0. This is equal to 2R sin B plus 2R sin A. 2R sin A. From sine rule, we know that 2R sin B equal to small b plus 2R sin A is equal to small a. Okay, this is equal to A plus B. Next question is, if the area of rhombus is 162 square centimeters and one of its angles is 150 degrees, then the length of each side in centimeters. Consider a rhombus ABCD. ABCD. Draw a line. So now ABC is a triangle. We are given that area of rhombus is 162 centimeters. Let each side of a rhombus is small a and one of the angle is equal to 150 degrees. Okay. Now area of rhombus, we are given that area of rhombus is equal to 162 square centimeters. And area of rhombus is equal to 2 times of area of triangle ABC is equal to 162 centimeters. And we know that area of triangle ABC is equal to half AB sin C, half BC sin A or half CA sin. Now Here we can write half CA sin B is equal to 162. Here 2 gets cancelled. CA means sides. In rhombus we know that all the sides are equal. So substitute A in place of C. So A into sine angle B means 150 degrees. This is equal to 160. A square into sine 150 means sine of 180 minus 30, that is equal to sine 30, which is equal to 162. So A square into sine 30 degrees is equal to 162. And we know that sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2. This is equal to 162. From this we can write A square is equal to 2 into 162, that is 324. Hence A square is equal to root 324. Sorry, A equal to root 324. Hence A is equal to 18. Each side of rhombus is equal to 18 centimeters. Okay. And the next question is, in triangle ABC, what is the value of cos square A by 2 plus cos square B by 2 plus cos square C by 2? Cos square A by 2 can be written as 1 plus cos A by 2 plus cos square B by 2 can be written as 1 plus cos B by 2, and cos square C by 2 can be written as 1 plus cos C by 2. From this, consider the LCM as 2, and in numerator we get 1 plus cos A plus 1 plus cos B plus 1 plus cos C. This is equal to 3 plus cos A plus cos B plus cos A plus cos B plus cos C whole by 2. It can be written as 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into cos A plus cos B plus cos C. Cos A plus cos B plus cos C. And we know that cos A plus cos B plus cos C means 1 plus small r by capital R. This is very much useful throughout this chapter. Cos A plus cos B plus cos C is equal to 1 plus small r by capital R. By simplification we get 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into small r by capital R is small r by 2 into capital R. And 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 means 4 by 2 plus small r by 2 into capital R. This is equal to 4 by 2 means 2 plus small r by 2 into capital R. Therefore, cos square A by 2 plus cos square B by 2 plus cos square C by 2 is equal to 2 plus small r by 2 into capital R. Similarly, we can find the value of sin square A by 2 plus sin square B by 2 plus sin square C by 2 also. The next question is, in triangle ABC, what is the value of sin square A by 2 plus sin square B by 2 plus sin square C by 2? Sin square A by 2 can be written as 1 minus cos A by 2 plus sin square B by 2 can be written as 1 minus cos B by 2 plus sin square C by 2 can be written as 1 minus cos C by 2. It can be written as 1 by 2 minus cos A by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus cos B by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus cos C by 2. Okay, this is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2, and taking minus 1 by 2 as common from the remaining 3 terms, we get minus of 1 by 2 times of cos A plus cos B plus cos. Okay, and we know that cos A plus cos B plus cos C means 1 plus small r by capital R. This is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus small r by 2 into capital R, which is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 means 2 by 2 minus small r by 2 into capital R. This is equal to 1 minus small r by 2 into capital R. Hence, sin square A by 2 plus sin square B by 2 plus sin square C by 2 is equal to 1 minus small r by 2 into capital R. Okay, let us see one example based on this concept. In triangle ABC, 7 into small r is equal to 3 into capital R. Then what is the value of sin square A by 2 plus sin square B by 2 plus sin square C by 2? From this we can write small r by capital R is equal to 3 by 7. Small r by capital R is equal to 3 by 7. Now consider sine square a by 2 plus sine square b by 2 plus sine square c by 2. This is equal to, already we derived, this is equal to 1 minus small r by 2 into capital R. This is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 into small r by capital R, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 into small r by capital R means 3 by 7. Okay, consider the LCM as 14. In numerator we get 14 minus 3, that is equal to 11 by 14. Therefore, sine square a by 2 plus sine square b by 2 plus sine square c by 2 is equal to 11 by 14. And the next question is, in triangle ABC, small r is equal to capital R by 6. Small r is equal to capital R by 6 and R1 is equal to 7r. R1 equal to 7r. Then the measure of angle A, that means angle A is equal to, consider R1 minus R is equal to 7R minus R. So R1 minus R is equal to 6R. Since we are given that small r is equal to capital R by 6, from this we can write capital R is equal to 6R. So replace 6R by capital R, 6 into small r by capital R. Hence R1 minus R is equal to capital R. And we know that R1 minus R is equal to 4R sine square A by 2. This is equal to capital R. Here capital R gets cancelled. Sine square A by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Sine A by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Root 1 by 4 means 1 by 2. And we know that 1 by 2 is equal to sine 30. Hence sine A by 2 is equal to sine 30. By comparing on both sides, we get A by 2 equal to 30. Therefore, angle A is equal to 2 into 30, that is equal to 60. Okay. Once I recall the equilateral triangle property, consider an equilateral triangle ABC. Equilateral triangle means all angles are equal and all sides are equal. So angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to 60 and the sides A, B, C are equal. Therefore, A equal to B equal to C. Let A equal to B equal to C equal to 1. Okay. We know that S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. This is equal 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. And delta equal to root 3 by 4 by using the value of S 3 by 2. Already we derived. And capital R is equal to ABC by 4 delta. That is equal to 1 by 4 into delta means root 3 by 4. So capital R is equal to 1 by root 3. Now we have to find the values of small r and R1, R2, R3. Small r means delta by S. Here we have delta is equal to root 3 by 4 and S is equal to 3 by 2. It can be written as root 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 means root 3 into root 3. 2 1s, 2 2s cancel and root 3 gets cancelled. This is equal to 1 by 2 root 3. Small r is equal to 1 by 2 root 3. In an equilateral triangle, R1 equal to R2 equal to R3. That is equal to delta by S minus A. Delta means root 3 by 4 by S means 3 by 2 minus A means 1. This is equal to root 3 by 4. Here consider the LCM as 2 and we have to get 3 minus 2 by 2. 3 minus 2 by 2. That is equal to root 3 by 4 by 1 by 2. It can be written as root 3 by 4 into 2 by 1. So 2 1s 2 times cancel. So R1 equal to R2 equal to R3 equal to root 3 by 2. These are the values in an equilateral triangle. S is equal to 3 by 2. Delta is equal to root 3 by 2 and capital R is equal to 1 by root 3. Small r is equal to 1 by root 3. R1, R2, R3 is equal to root 3 by 2. Generally, there is a possibility to ask two types of questions. Let us see what are those. First one is, What is the ratio between small r is to capital R is to R1? Small r is to capital R is to R1. Already we derived small r is equal to 1 by 2 root 3 and capital R is equal to 1 by root 3 and R1, R2, R3 root 3 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 root 3 is 2. Here multiplying and dividing with 2, we get 2 by 2 root 3. And here multiplying and dividing with root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3 by 2 root 3. So, in all these terms, we have 2 root 3 in denominator. So, this is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3. Small r is to capital R is to R1. 1 is to 2 is to 3. Remember it. And the next question is, what is the value of small r by capital R? Small r by capital R. Small r means 1 by 2 root 3 by capital R means 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Here root 3 gets cancelled. Therefore, small r by capital R is equal to 1 by 2. These are the two questions. Depends upon the equilateral triangle property. Next concept is, in triangle ABC, if XR1 equal to YR2 equal to ZR3, then A is to B is to C equal to Y plus Z is to Z plus X is to X plus Y. XR1 is equal to YR2 is equal to ZR3. X into R1 means delta by S minus A equal to Y into R2 means delta by S minus B equal to Z into R3 means delta by S minus B. Here delta gets cancelled. From this we can write X by S minus A equal to Y by S minus B equal to Z by S minus C. Okay, equal to K, say. So from this we can write X is equal to S minus A into K and Y equal to S minus B into K. Similarly, Z is equal to S minus C into K. By adding these three terms, we get X plus Y plus Z is equal to K times of S minus A plus S minus B plus S minus C. So, X plus Y plus Z is equal to K times of, here S plus 3S and minus of A plus B plus C means 2S. 3S minus 2S? Yes. So, by using the values of X, Y, Z, we get A, B, C. X is equal to Ks minus of Y plus Z. Okay. Y plus Z is equal to Ks minus X. Ks minus, here X means S minus A into K. So by taking K as common, we get K times of S minus of S minus A, that is minus S plus A. Okay, SS cancel, this is AK. Similarly, we get Z plus X is equal to BK and X plus Y is equal to CK. Now, X plus AK is to, therefore AK is to BK is to CK is equal to Y plus Z is to Z plus X is to X plus Y. Okay, so from this we can write A is to B is to C is equal to Y plus Z is to Z plus X is to X plus Y. The ratio between A, B, C, Y plus Z is to Z plus X is to X plus Y. Okay, let us see some problems based on this concept. And the next question is, in triangle ABC, if R1 equal to 2R2 equal to 3R3. We are given that in triangle R1 equal to 2R2 equal to 3R3. Then what is the value of A by B plus B by C plus C by A? It is in the form of XR1 equal to YR2 equal to ZR3. By comparing it, we get X is equal to 1, Y equal to 2, Z equal to 3. If XR1 equal to YR2 equal to ZR3, then A is to B is to C is equal to Y plus Z is to Z plus X is to X plus Y. So, it is equal, Y plus Z means 2 plus 3, 5 is to z plus x 3 plus 1 4, x plus y 1 plus 2 3. Generally consider a is equal to 5. Let a equal to 5, b equal to 4 and c equal to 3. Then a by b plus b by c plus c by a is equal to a by b means 5 by 4 plus b by c means 4 by 3 plus c by a means 3 by 5. Here consider the LCM as 60. In numerator we get 12, then 15, 4, 15 5s are 75 plus here 320s, so 80 plus 12 5 is 36, which is equal 6 plus 5, 11, 4 plus 8, 12 plus 7, 19. 191 by 60. Therefore, a by b plus b by c plus c by a is equal to 191 by 60. Okay, thank you.